It's a known fact that webinars convert higher than any other sales medium online. So you get excited and start creating that webinar. You get hundreds of people ready to listen to your webinar, but your conversions just aren't the way you want them to be, or worse, your webinar software platform crashes. These are typical things that happen. But what happened? Well, a webinar must properly be created for high conversions. And it's easy to avoid thinking that and simply just jumping online and creating a webinar. And on the other hand, you need the right platform to host your webinars, otherwise they will crash. Unfortunately for you, we've tested what works and what hasn't. So you get to discover how to build high converting sales webinars from start to finish starting today. Here's a quick videos overview of the videos in this video course. We've got video number 1, which is the introduction to webinars and recommended tools. Video number 2, what's a webinar without an audience? So we'll go step by step through the process of trying to get you to understand your audience, what they want, what triggers them, what's their objections, and things like that. Video number 3 is our blueprint for a sales webinar. And video number 4 is finding your angle, because angle is key. Video number 5 is who's the host. Video number 6 is the meat or the content. Video number 7 is the pitch. And of course, video number 8 is justifying the price. And video number 9 is the close. We'll actually cover practical step-by-step strategies that you can use right away in building your webinar so that you can start learning how to build a high converting sales webinar from start to finish. Go ahead and grab this video course today, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.